Every fire department should be investing in their employees' health. And if all they need to do is sit in a bucket of ice to make them feel better, whether it's PTSD resolution, hormone mitigation, mitochondrial reset, whether it's a Morozko or anything of the like put people in cold water. I injured myself in 2007 at work in a training exercise. It ended up crushing my left leg, pudendal nerve, and then also my genitalia, specifically my left testicle was damaged very badly. I ended up becoming hypogonadic from that. That is when your body doesn't produce as much or any testosterone. I was super low. My lab values were sub 200, which is almost undetectable. So they started experimenting with, trying to give me supplementation, whether it was creams or deodorant. Tried injectable testosterone, and we didn't mix well. I didn't like that drug. It didn't treat me well. It made me sick. Any adverse circumstance you could have with sex hormone supplementation happened to me. Just bad luck, I suppose, or maybe good luck. I ended up getting off of it cold turkey. Took the stuff and threw it away and got it away from me, and suffered for a little while. It was no fun. Depression, and just didn't have any drive to do anything. I fell into this beautiful accident is what I like to call it, because I started doing jiu-jitsu to try and motivate me to do some other things. I was so sore because I was getting my butt kicked really bad all the time. I would go and jump into my pool, and it just happened to be winter time. And I would jump in there and I'd thrash around and move my arm that was hurt really bad, and I'd just go in there for a couple minutes and kind of get numb. And then I'd hop out, dry off, grab my bag, and go to jiu-jitsu. I noticed after about a week and a half or 2 weeks of going in the pool and being cold in the wintertime, and then going to jiu-jitsu, my muscles were dense again. And I had vascularity in my arms, and I was losing weight quick because I'd put on a lot of weight. I was up to about 206 pounds. That was heavy for my frame. I'm 5'8", I weigh 176 now. Went to my doctor and drew my labs, and he's like, come on, dude, what are you taking? Got the results back, and it was 771.
It's pretty healthy for a guy with one testicle.